What up YouTube, it's your boy Rico Bambino and we back with another video, guys. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to add a shelf in a 6x10 V-nose trailer. I got this for my landscaping business that I just started, and here's some of the equipment out here. You know, we got the trailer empty, but yeah guys, next video I'm gonna show you guys my whole setup. But for now, I'm gonna show you guys that we're building a shelf in the V-nose part. I'm gonna probably store my Sure cans, my gas cans, and just some miscellaneous stuff on the top of the shelf. I may eventually put another shelf down here at the bottom. But yeah, for now, I got 2x4 post brackets. So you guys can see these brackets here. I just picked them up at Lowe's. Maybe you guys can see the part number there. I'll get a closer view of it. Let me see, turn it upside down for you. So you guys can just look at that. Go pick you up a few. But yeah, we just measure where we wanted it. And we got one cross brace here, and then we're gonna add the other one here. So we already got the board cut. And we're gonna finish this process up. So yeah, we just got a cross brace here with a 2x4, and then we got one cross brace here, and then we're gonna add another one at this angle here. So y'all stay tuned. I'll show you guys the finished skeleton of this project. All right guys, so this is what we got. We got our two cross members in, and now we are using cardboard, which this is just a little vacuum cleaner box that I had laying around. We're using this as a template to get everything perfect, and we're gonna set this on the plywood and cut it out. So if you guys got any extra cardboard laying around, or you might go to Food Line or something, just grab a piece of cardboard, make yourself a template. Or, you know, you can measure your corners or whatnot, but that may take a little bit longer. Then you have to get your angles and everything. But this right here worked out pretty perfect. We just set the cardboard up there, and we bent it in and folded it in on the edges, and then we just drew up underneath the bottom of it, cut it out close, and then we just kept trimming after that. All in all, it took about 10 minutes to do. It was just probably shaved off about a good hour's worth of time trying to cut and trim plywood all day and trying to fit it perfect. Yeah, so you guys stay tuned. I'll show you guys what we got after this. All right, so this is what the skeleton of the shelf looked like so far. The framing. So far so good. Come outside here, and we done already drew the template on the plywood. That's our template there. So as you guys can see, we done already marked it. I don't know if you guys can see that, it's pretty bright outside today, but you guys get the point. Just put the template on there, just drew it out. Now we're gonna set our sawhorses up and do our cutting. So here we have the finished product, guys. Turned out very well. I didn't want to put the plywood on the top because I wanted these individual braces to separate the things that I want to put up here, which I'm only putting like gas cans and like other miscellaneous stuff, oil and stuff. But yeah guys, so just put the brackets on here. Showed you guys the serial number and everything for it, and then we had to put one board in the back. We got an L-shaped bracket to keep it to the wall. I didn't want to drill too much into the trailer, so we got 3 screws at the bottom there, and then the rest is just up against the board, up against the wall. And we came and put 3 screws at the top. Everything else is braced well, very well, guys. And then I just put these 2 pieces here just to give it a little support for the lip. Just cut off a 2x4, real small. And then just put 2 screws in it. As you guys can see, she ain't going nowhere, anywhere. Everything is good to go. So this is basically what you see when you're walking out or walking into this door here. I got my shelf that I can just grab my gas cans. I can put my push more up underneath here. Anything else I need to put up under there? I may go and put another shelf probably at the bottom here when I get another Pushmore that can like fold in and stuff. But yeah, guys, next video I'm gonna show you guys my lawn care setup and everything that I got so far. I just got started last week with this business, so it's actually going pretty well so far, guys. As soon as I touch somebody's lawn, then the neighbor comes out and be like, hey man, how much you charge? And then boom, I got more business there, and then 2 word of mouth. So I've been going at it for the past week. That's why I haven't been posting too many videos. But yeah, guys, we are on the up and up, so this will give me more funds to be able to fund the YouTube channel and to be able to bring you guys a lot more better content, to be able to put more money into vehicles and anything else that you guys want to see me do as well. But yeah, I told you guys that on this channel, 2Time Moto TV is going to be doing, you know, different stuff, just DIYs, you know. I don't know, there may be 1 or 2 of you guys subscribe to me. There may be hundreds of you guys that have a V-nose trailer or just a trailer in general, or you might want to add some shelves in a house or something, so you can go and buy this kind of stuff. And this video should help you out about how to brace it and how to make your own shelf from scratch. So I will be starting up another YouTube channel just for my lawn care, and I'm gonna let you guys know the name of that. I'm still trying to figure out the name I want to call my company and my business, so that's gonna take a little bit of time. But yeah, I'm gonna post this to 2Time Moto TV channel and we can go from there. But yeah, in the upcoming videos I'm gonna show you guys everything I got with my lawn care equipment. So yeah, 2Time Moto TV out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, peace.